Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and install each and every update that is pending. The last solution is to perform a system restore on your computer. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then go to recovery. Go to open system restore. Choose a different restore point. Click on next. Choose a good restore point next. Finish and then click on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.